Hi everyone, welcome back to Jessie Lifestyle at Home. In this video, we are going to be installing some Christmas lights. Thank you so much to Yeelight Permanent Outdoor Lights for sponsoring this video and sending me the lights to use. I am so excited. Everything you need comes right here in this nice, neat little package. You have the adapter, you have the mounting blocks, you have the lights themselves, you have the power adapter, like everything you need is right there. Here is a close-up of the wires. That is the male connector. Here are what the lights look like up close. And it has a little 3M adhesive on the back. You just peel off the red and then stick it exactly where you need it to go. The installation is super easy. You first clean off the surface with some rubbing alcohol, then peel the sticker and hold the light for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you just repeat the process as you go along. Installing the lights under the eaves of your house about 5 to 10 centimeters away from the wall, and it will create a beautiful wall washing effect. Once the lights are installed, it's time to plug in and also download the Yeelight app so that you can look at all of the cool functions and light settings, and you can control your lights right from your phone. The Yeelight app has some presets that you can use as well for Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day. You can switch it at a tap of the icon. We have birthday party, which could be fun. We have a lot of birthdays coming up, as well as the 4th of July and shooting star. You can custom create your own light show. You can individually pick what each light will look like, as well as the speed and movement. It's all within the app. You can also link the lights to music. So like if you're having a party, you can hook it up and it will dance along to your music. Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. So thank you so much to Yeelight for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in purchasing your very own Yeelight permanent outdoor lights, just definitely check the link in the description box below. I was really excited when Yeelight wanted to sponsor this video. We haven't actually put up lights in a couple years, I think, because my husband's back is getting pretty bad, and having to get up and down the ladder in the freezing cold and hang a ton of lights and then just take them down a month later is like, it kind of wears on you, especially when you have like such a big house and like so many different roof elevations to go through. But yeah, this was a huge selling point to us because this was really easy for him to do by himself. Usually we have to get my oldest son to help him climb up all on the roof and do the kind of young men's job. But now we will install these and then we don't have to worry about it for at least a couple years. So I've been hearing about these outdoor permanent lights and I'm really glad that we have put them on. We've heard from our neighbors and people that have been driving by our house how much they love it and how pretty they think it is. And you don't have to do the colored lights either. Like if you're a white light Christmas girly, you can just leave the white lights on, and you can also pinpoint accent lights. Like you don't have to have all the lights on all the time. So like in the summer, we can just maybe pinpoint just the corners of the house, just kind of like a little downlight action. It looks really pretty and there's so many options. So I am really excited that we were able to work with Yeelight on this video. I wanted to share the whole installation process with you guys because I know my normal subscribers like to see everything, but I just sped it up super fast and now we get to play with all the fun stuff of decorating my huge porch. I'm not gonna lie, I probably should have done a little power washing up here, but I was working on borrowed time after my husband put the lights up, and we also had worked in the garage he had to go away to work, so I was trying to do this kind of quickly and as efficiently as possible because it's hard to watch Malcolm because he like runs around and gets into everything and starts trying to climb on bushes and everything. So I was just trying to do the best job that I could, but also just make good use of time. But I love those little flock trees. They're the $35 ones from Walmart, and they are at least 10 years old. It's crazy to think that I've had them for that long. And my parents always give me like a little Christmas decor item every year. So I have a bunch of cute little signs that I'm going to put up over on the porch as well. I decided to flank this bench right as you come up to the front door with the 2 trees, and then add the little bucket of pine cones and wood and just make it look very ski lodge rustic. Every year I say that I'm going to add some more like lighted garland to the railings, but time just goes by so fast. It takes forever to get things decorated and organized and set up, and then it's time to take it all down. So I think maybe this year I will check out and see if there's anything on clearance, probably in December, because I feel like they get rid of everything so fast. But my mom also gave me the outdoor pillow covers. They might be from Amazon. I'm not sure. I know that Merry Christmas sign in the corner is from Walmart, and that grapevine tree is from Hobby Lobby. Our tree that we used up here in the gazebo for the past couple years, 4 years, finally died. So I just took one of the trees that I didn't use inside the house and I'm donating it to the porch. And I actually love it. This tree is from Walmart. It has some pine cones in it. It's one of those like self-remembering springy trees. Like you kind of open it and it kind of just falls open. You don't have to fluff it a lot. I am going to fluff it a little bit just to kind of make it look a little bit pretty, but it's a very easy tree to set up and fluff. I also decided to decorate the outdoor tree this year. All of this stuff is from Walmart. So I got some berry picks with some clips. My Malcolm picked out these 2 stars. I kind of wish I had gotten more of these stars. They are really pretty. They're just glitter wired stars. I am using some floral wire to make hooks. And I'm just showing you that they're just going to clip right onto the branches. And I made the decision to hot glue the ornament holes, the tops of the ornament together. And I'm going to put the floor wire through it as well because it's going to be outside. It is going to get windy. We do secure the tree to the post around the gazebo so it doesn't like fly off and go into the neighbor's yard. But I just really wanted to make sure that these ornaments will stay on the tree and they won't go missing. These ornaments are really big and they're also very affordable. I think they were like $2.98 a piece, and they are, you're going to be able to see them from my yard. Like, they're not going to get lost in the tree. So I was really excited about these. I of course have my little helper Malcolm. He was really excited. He went to Walmart with me and picked out all of the shiny ornaments, and he was super excited about all the decor going on outside. So this is the first time I'm decorating this tree, so I was just kind of winging it, and I'm attaching, like I'm tying the balls to the tree. So they're hot glued and wired, so hopefully they won't go flying all over everywhere when the wind starts to pick up. I at first wanted to decorate all the way around the tree. So I'm showing you where I'm putting the ornaments and what ornaments I'm choosing. But after I was finished, I decided to just, I decided to move all the ornaments to the front of the tree because I think I probably needed to get double the ornaments that I did. So I wanted the front of the tree to look like really full. And so we're like all business in the front and scarcity in the back when it's all said and done. It's kind of hard to see, but I also added some icicle lights to the tree so we could have like a very winter wonderland tree theme. And here is after I rearranged all the ornaments so that they're on the front, but I didn't want you to have to sit through me redoing it all. But that sometimes that happens. Like, you just have to play around with it. You just have to figure out what you like, and mistakes can be made and you can just redecorate. I am adding a command hook to the front door and adding just this kind of plain Jane wreath. I wanted a pop of red on the door, and I just threw in some Dollar Tree picks. It's not the prettiest wreath, but it'll do. And I'm adding my big flat mat as well. This year I am adding these urns with my topiaries, and I was going to get a couple like timer lights to put on the topiaries as well, but we leave these little lights on, so the lights are shining down on the topiaries anyway, so maybe next year. So I just also want to say that you can just take decor year by year. I remember moving into this house and this was the biggest porch I'd ever seen in my life. And I just slowly add on every single year. I get the sales and just kind of think about one thing that I would like to add. Like, I really want to add the garland, so I'm going to keep an eye on for that. And it just takes time. So if you're just moving into your first like house with a porch and you're like, I gotta buy all the things, I gotta go big now. Hey, if you can afford it, go big now. But if you're like me and you want to kind of accumulate things that you love little by little, it's all right. You'll eventually get there. And here she is in all her glory. I'm really happy with how it turned out. This tree, you can see all the beautiful ornaments, and you can kind of see like the icicle lights that I added. They are a different color. I didn't realize how much of a different color they would be, but I still think it looks really neat and pretty and kind of matches the blinkiness of all of the color lights. I'm not done with my outdoor decorations. We still have our side yard to do. Malcolm has a couple inflatables, and we're going to do a lot of like cute little fun things on the side. So there'll be a second decorating video coming out soon.